وباقي تقلب على الناس ديالنا
ما يشوفوا على الناس
ميتين
هذا الشيء اختباس هذا الشيء ما كنشوفوش هنا
Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters, live from China. You guys seen 10 days ago what happened in Morocco, where thousands of our brothers and sisters lost their lives, when thousands of our brothers and sisters are right now desperate on the street waiting for help. We need your support. MATW is live on the ground right now, providing shelter, food pack and much more. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the most beloved deeds to Allah are those that are done regularly, even if they are small. So let's contribute any amount. The link is in the bio. Help our brothers and sisters in need, because we are going to be questioned on the day when we are desperate and needing help.